Namaste. Today's video is about board examination 2023. It focuses on inside examination hall or examination room. The students can enter into the examination center by in between 9 to 10 a.m. After 10 a.m. nobody is allowed into the examination center as well as examination room. 9:45 the students can enter into the examination room. The assistant superintendent is in charge of the examination room. He or she is the most important functionary in the conduct of board examination. The students will enter into the room by 9:45 and by 10 o'clock, before 10 o'clock, they should be seated wherever the seats are allowed. That is 30 minutes before they should be seated. And 10 o'clock, the assistant superintendent will distribute the answer sheets. On the answer sheet, they have to fill up the information as per admit card. Yes, they have to fill up the information as per admit card neatly and accurately on the OMR sheet. On the left side of the admit card, there is subject code. On the left side of you, that is subject code, day and date of exam. Day means on Friday, that is plus 2 classes, their examination starts. That Monday 27th 10th standard examination starts. Then what is the medium of answering the paper, code number as written on the top of the question paper and set number of supplementary answer books used. This number of supplementary answer books that you can write only later on. Whether the person is differently abled student, there is yes or no, or tick the category. Coded disability as per admit card, that is whether the writer provided is yes or no, whether a person is provided for him as he is differently abled, that is why. If visually challenged, name of the software used. These are the things they have to fill on the left side of the OMR sheet. Left side of the OMR sheet. It's just I am showing you, but it is not the original one. It is not this year's. One thing, what I got it from net, I marked it as social science. Subject code number is 087, like that. The examination is on Wednesday. Medium is English. See that next code number. There is a question paper code number. That is very important. And the set number also very important. Whether it is 2 or 3 or 1 or like that. Question paper code number. Then number of supplementary sheets you have used. There also. Then that is the next columns are regarding the benchmark disabilities. I am telling you, I don't know. This is not this year's definitely. So this I told you I got it from the net. So this may be the right side of, is while you open it, it is right side of your, left side of your OMR sheet, left side of your title sheet. This is also known as title sheet. Yes, this way it goes. Yes, whether writer is provided, it is not so clear. Writer is provided like that. Then let us see what about the right hand side of the OMR sheet. Right hand side of the OMR sheet, name in capital letters, capital. Then each letter be filled in one box and one box left blank between each part of the name. That is, initial is there, in between the initial and the name you should leave one box without writing like that. That is in the guidelines it is written that 24, if it goes beyond 24 characters, till 24 characters you write there in that column like that. Write and darkened the appropriate columns, circles, name in capital letters, then roll number, subject code, center number. Yes, you carefully, children, you carefully listen what is the center code given by the assistant superintendent that you write. Then roll number in words and subject, school number as per admit card. In your admit card, school number also will be written, that one. Then father's or guardian's name and signature of the student. Yes, that much should be written there. admit card, there will be the signature of this guardian and father, as it is you are inside the examination room, and this is the covering page of the answer book. There the signature of the student is needed. So this specimen also I will show you. I am telling you, this is not the present is, just I am showing you. Yes, this is the place you have to write down. Suppose in between you are getting one break, in between, you know, the name is split up like that, there you know that there only you have to leave the space in between the initial or in between that. And simply I wrote the roll number. This is roll number. Don't think that the other class roll number. This is your roll number. According to the roll number, you have to darken it. Then the subject code, then sender number. Sender, what is the sender number that you have to write? Yes, and also what is the register, what is the roll number, that number should be written here, that much crore, that much lakh, like that. I am telling you, this is earlier is specimen only. This time it may not be like that, may be like that, I am not so sure, but anyway I am familiarizing it with you. All the particulars filled by the candidates on this page have been verified. So verified by, and this is facsimile of the center superintendent, verified by the assistant superintendent. This is duty of the assistant superintendent to sign here. This is a facsimile of the center superintendent. And one thing, the facsimile should not be there on the graph paper or the map paper. There is specially written there. And after getting question paper only, you are able to write down the code number and set number also. Set number and code number only you can write later on only. So I told you in the left side there also the code number and set number. So as soon as you get the question paper, you have to write down this. That is very important. That is assistant superintendent also check that whether they wrote properly the set number, properly the question paper code number. Set number is very important there, question paper code also. So the left side and the right side of that. And while you write the roll number, 3 places have been mentioned in the guidelines to mention. One is on the title sheet. What is the roll number? Yes, this is the title sheet. Where is the roll number you have to enter. Then another one is a question paper. Yes, the assistant superintendent should see that the children have written their roll number on the question paper. One thing. So question paper that should be written strictly, they should write the question on the question paper their roll number. And third one is that slip in the supplementary answer book. Slip in the supplementary answer book also the roll number should be written. And it is specially clearly clarified by the CBSE that your roll number should not be written anywhere inside the answer book. That is, it should not be written on the map, it should not be written on the graph paper, it should not be written inside the answer sheet, only on the title sheet and the slip in the supplementary answer sheet. Slip. On the slip only you can write. So this is the instruction regarding the roll number. So, and this assistant superintendent after 10 a.m. answer sheet will be distributed. I told you that the assistant superintendent should see that assistant superintendent will explain how to fill this. That is the thing I told you, how to fill the OMR sheet, how to fill the answer book. Supplementary sheet only later on only. And distribution of the question paper by 10:15. At 10:15, assistant superintendent will distribute the question paper. Assistant superintendent will take due care to verify the code number of the student's question paper as well as the entry in the OMR sheet to the answer book. This is the entry what you are doing on the OMR sheet. That is, assistant superintendent should see that. Asked to start the examination by 10:15. The bell will be there. 10:30. So 50 minutes, 10:15 to 10:30. This is a cool time where they can read the question paper. Most often this process will go in between 10 and 10:10, 10 to 10:10. And 10:10 the question paper packets will be opened with the presence of 2 students can be called, and they will look that the question paper packet has not been opened. There only, in front of them only, it will opened. Really they are witnessing that process. 2 assistant superintendents will be there in one room consisting of 24 students, and 2 may be called to see that how the packet is opening, like that. And at 10:15 to 10:30 the cool time. 10:30 can ask to start the examination. There will be long bell. So, not to write roll number on the maps and graphs paper. Assistant Superintendent will verify that roll number is not written on the graph. Then get signature of the supplementary. Another thing is that get signature of the supplementary papers. That is, they should also get signature on the supplementary answer book. And after the examination, one thing more. That is, the supplementary sheets should not be distributed to the students before completing their main answer book. Only after completing the main answer book only, they should be given the supplementary answer book. That is the instruction to Assistant Superintendent. This is the instruction to students that they should not demand for supplementary answer book without finishing their main answer book. Then, and also the Assistant Superintendent, all this red line is meant for the Assistant Superintendent. Assistant Superintendent should see that whatever, suppose 2 answer sheets have been added, additionally demanded by the student, that should be attached along with the main sheet. Then, while one thing more here I want to tell you, that is how the question paper will be distributed. I told you there are 24 students in a room. How the question paper will be distributed? Yes, all these things I am telling you for the newcomers, new assistant superintendents, and the 10th standard also, the newly entering, they are entering first of all to a board examination hall. And here how the roll number, suppose several digits number will be there, and set number. In your room, what is the roll number, first number? That first number should be given the first set, then next number second set, then third numbers third set. Or in another way also it was there, while you are opening the set, what comes on the top? That was the earlier instruction. Now I don't know. Suppose when we open the parcel, first one is the second set. We used to distribute second one to the first roll number, third to the next roll number, again first to the third roll number, like that. But anyway, this should be in serial order. You cannot distribute as you like. First roll number should be given first one, second roll number should be given this one, then third roll number should be given third one, and again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 8 rows should be there. Then 1, 2, then again 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that. So you know that the seats will be in an order that similar set students are not sitting together or nearer. That is the main thing why the different sets are there. Then here I have marked with a red mark like that. Suppose 37 is absent, what should be done? So 37 should get the first set number. That first set number should keep it on the top table, or keep it away, or keep it aside, and the 38 should be given the set 2, because 38 should get the set 2 and 37 is absent. So this number question paper should be given back to the center superintendent, and center superintendent will send to the regional office. So, and there it should be marked. I think that in that guideline it is written there, red line, red round should be given like that. And it should be that, and again this way it should be given. It means that one person is absent, it should not be distributed. And in the supplementary answer book also clearly written what about the roll number, the supplementary answer book also, the question paper code number and the set number also should be written. There is clearly mentioned. So, one very important thing is that assistant superintendent should check that whether the set number they have properly written, and the student should be keen that they have written the question paper set number. Only after writing the question paper set number, they should start writing the answer in the answer book, because your paper is checked by the evaluators only with the help of the set numbers. Set number question paper, suppose set number question paper, you wrote set number question, that teacher may be checking your answer sheet with the help of set number question paper 2. That is why you should write, only then you will get proper mark. So that is very important. Yes, this is all. Then before Yes, so I told you once more 10:15 the question paper distribution, commencement of the exam by 10:30, and closing of the door. The assistant superintendent will close the door by 10 minutes before the examination is over. So then 1:30. Here I wrote 1:30 according to 3-hour paper. So 1:20 they will close the door and 1:30 examination finishes. Yes, this is what is happening inside the examination room. You know, children, and we know that how much trouble to conduct this type of an examination conducted by CBSE about covering 28,000 schools and which are conducting examination in 26 countries. So understand the importance of this, understand the importance and seriousness of the conduct of the board examination, and all of them honestly do the work. All the best, all of you, teachers, students, parents, and parents should also see that the students have taken all the necessary items to the examination center. Yes, they are reaching properly in time, they are reaching all the things. The parents should take care of them. Don't give junk foods to the children previous days and that day. Have them light food, let them, they should have sufficient food and water, sufficiently they should slept the previous day, night also. Like that, let them go and have all the best and good luck to all of you.